Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
Hey, good morning to you. It is May 6th on a Monday. Boy, we've got an active week of weather coming up. The two key takeaways from this, though, overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, severe weather chance. Wednesday, severe weather chance. Those are the big two. Today's big tornado risk is actually out west. A foggy start for many of us this morning, wasn't it? You head outside early on. You can see some fog out in the distance. Really, this shot here from Pleasant Grove looking south really tells the tale. You can see in the distance some of those foggy conditions out there. The fog will mix out during the day as the ground warms, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty decent day for us. We have a warm front that's actually parked down to our south that will slowly lift to the north. The big severe weather risk area today, though, is actually going to be right in here. Tornado Alley. These thunderstorms are going to go up later on today, late afternoon, early evening. That'll eventually form a line, and that line will sweep east and then get into our area super late. So this is after midnight into the wee morning hours, late tonight and tomorrow morning. As far as the severe weather threat goes, the Storm Prediction Center actually has a moderate risk out. The dark red colors where the bigger tornadoes will be. You can see how the orange inches into our region. The thing here is as that air mass as the system starts to move towards the east, the capping inversion will strengthen a little bit. So you're not really looking at much in the way of sustained severe weather risk. In other words, they're going to be weakening as they start to move on in. Let me see if I can pull up. Let's see here. Some of the other fronts that are out there. As we head into the overnight hours, the model data will show you here how this is going to play out with the chances of rain starting to pick up. So this is where we are now. And let's head into, I don't know, 1 in the afternoon. How about that? Couple of isolated showers start to develop down to the south and southeast Oklahoma. And sure, if we could get an isolated shower today, the capping inversion is still pretty strong, though. Here are the storms erupting later on today and this evening. You can see them out there in western Oklahoma. So this is 6 o'clock. This is 7 o'clock. Those things are really going up big time late evening. That forms a line, and then that line starts to make a run at us right in here. This is midnight. You get some storms, and then they start getting into the area through the overnight hours, possibly to about 3 or 4 before moving out somewhere around 5 or 6. Really, that key time frame when they arrive in Arkansas is going to be after midnight. Notice, though, there is a weakening trend with this, which is good for us. And that's also reflected on that Storm Prediction Center outlook. That's why they've got the higher risk area in central parts of Oklahoma and as opposed to parts of northwest Arkansas. So bottom line is, severe weather is possible tonight. Severe weather also possible on Wednesday. Outside of that, it's a very spring-like pattern. And hey, looks like we catch a break after the Wednesday system. Got a nice little stretch of some quiet weather after what's been a very active weather pattern over the last couple of days. Make it a great work week, guys.